What's up everybody, this is Bubba from Access 21 and today I'm going to show you how to wrap cable. Now everything from electrical to audio, you'll find a lot of different types of cables on set, but they're all pretty much wrapped up the same way, and it's using the over-under technique, which I'm going to show you right now. So the easy way to start off with the over-under technique is to hold the cable in one hand and you're going to use your other to create the loops. So I'm going to create a first loop like that, and I want all the other ones to match it. So I'm going to go underneath, then go over, underneath, and then over. Essentially you want to make the same loop every time because you want it to be uniform. So do over, then under. By that, we got it all together. So that's it. Super easy technique. Just practice it and you'll have it in no time. This is Bubba from Access 21. Thanks for watching.
To get involved at Access 21, visit tvaccess21.com or call area code 704-377-8988.